Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled Couple Gets Karma After Terrorizing Sports Bar.
On February 1st, 2026, officers responded to a sports bar for a call of a disturbance.
What is going on? Hold on.
Who won this bar?
This one?
Yes.
Okay.
Come on, man. What's the point of fighting?
Come on over with me real quick. Come on over. Don't move. Hey, no, don't walk away. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come on.
I want my food. Hell no.
Listen.
I didn't do nothing.
I saw you just push her down to come off.
I didn't do nothing.
I just saw her push her down.
It was over there. Get my woman right here.
Listen.
She broke it up, bro. She broke it shit up.
Okay, I picked up.
Oh, he needs to get locked up off the rip. Interference. Get his ass together. Get back up. I could already see where this going. We 50 seconds in. I could see where this going. Get them together.
Hey, calm down. Don't push up on me. Okay, I pull up, I see her push her down. Okay?
No, she did not. She broke the shit up. She was breaking the shit up, though. She broke the shit up. In my opinion.
Okay.
But I'm going home. I ain't got no problem with the police.
Okay.
I don't want no.
Thank you.
Oh, smart guy. Smart man.
Push me out. You want to be tough?
Hey.
You going crazy right now.
Okay.
She broke.
They push me down. I have a back injury.
Calm down. It's not going to get anywhere by yelling. Who has a gun?
I don't know who has a gun.
Okay, so what's going on?
Okay, so my door guys were dealing with an incident. I'm over here trying to get my bar closed down, getting tabs closed out.
You okay?
No, I'm not okay. All of a sudden they were walking out. One of them threw a chair across my bar over towards the jukebox. And then same guy, lunges at one of my door guys and was refusing to get out. Started fighting them. I'm trying to get names so I can give them to you guys. I'm on the phone with you guys. And then I'm trying to get names over here because I see the guy who threw the chair. And they're like, no, we're not giving you names. They pushed me down in that snowbank. I have a back injury. Yes, I have a back injury. I am in physical therapy. I am on workers' comp right now. I am supposed to be
So you didn't see
sitting
anybody
down.
with a firearm though?
No, I did not.
What the hell?
Shoot the place up. Okay. So we want to make sure that there's no firearms in play and that nothing's going to escalate, okay? Just hang tight.
First of all, my first question is, if you're on workers' comp, what are you doing? If you're on workers' comp, what are you doing at work? That's like my first question. You know, because if you on workers' comp, you not at work. Unless they could put you on like light duty, you know, like a desk job or something like that or whatever. But still, if you on workers' comp, you out. You ain't at work. Your doctor got to put you on light duty.
You have your ID with you?
No, I do not. I don't got nothing to do with that. I don't got no names.
Okay, well here's why. Okay, I'm gonna explain to you real quick why.
Why does everybody want to walk away and not talk?
Okay.
My information because I don't got nothing to do with it.
Okay, I'm here investigating.
I don't have nothing to do with it.
Listen to what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying as I'm talking to you. Okay. Listen. Okay. Well, then your car's not gonna leave. Okay. So I'm not sure why you're refusing to identify yourself.
Because I don't have nothing to do with that. Why are you talking to me? I don't have nothing to do with that.
Because you're over here and you're interjecting yourself when I first came up. Okay?
No, I said they don't have nothing because I seen it, but I don't have nothing to do with that.
So what did you see?
Okay, I'm an anonymous talker, and I said they didn't have shit to do with it. I seen it.
What did you see?
I seen that the whole shit, the whole thing, but I don't have nothing to do with it. I'm not giving my information.
What did you see?
Okay, I see that they never said that they was about to shoot something up. I see what that man said over there.
Okay, the guy in the red hat over there?
Can you stop talking to me?
No. No, this is my job.
Okay.
This is my job.
Okay, go talk to them. Go talk to them, please.
No, I'm trying to get you. If you say you have information for it, that's why I'm trying to talk to you. Okay? I'm not going to ask you for your information.
Okay, you just asked me for my information.
Just like I just said.
I told you.
I just said I'm not going to ask you. Just explain to me what happened.
I just said that they didn't have nothing to do with it. I heard that man over there saying that they was about to the club, and they never said that. They came
So
over
the guy in the red hat never said that.
Yes.
Okay.
No, they
Listen,
said that. They said that they was about to shoot up the club, and I said that never happened.
Nisha, stop talking.
Okay.
She ain't had nothing to do with it.
Okay. Well, she said I heard him say or not say something. It is pertinent to it. Okay.
But just talk to me instead of.
Okay.
Nisha.
Well, the thing is to talk to as many people as we can.
Go.
Okay.
Nisha,
That's my job.
Okay. Yeah, I feel you, bro.
Yes.
I feel you, bro.
I got you.
I understand it.
This is, oh my God. Like,
Nah. Come on.
No,
Come on. This my cousin now.
Okay.
They ain't had nothing to do
Where
with
did your
this.
fiance go? Did she?
My fiance trying to bring it up. My fiance had nothing to do with this.
That's why I'm just asking.
Roll the window back up.
I just want to check if she is okay.
Roll the window back up.
That's why I'm asking.
Okay, I got you. Roll the window back up.
So if she's still there, I just want to make sure she is okay.
No, officer.
That's all I'm
What's
asking.
going on is up in there. That's it.
Okay. Did you hear what I'm asking? If she's okay.
She's okay. She's okay.
Okay.
Hey, what's your first name?
I gotta figure it right.
What is your first name?
Don't do that.
What is your first name?
Don't do that, bro.
What do you want me to
Don't do
refer
that.
to you as?
yeah, you want to be Al Sharpton? Let's go. Yeah. You want to be Reverend Al Sharpton? Then yeah, let's get your information. Matter of fact, you want to be the mediator. You want to dictate what's going on. Roll the window up. Don't talk through me. Okay, well, let's get your information then, since you want to interject into everything.
Don't do that.
My sergeant's already told me if you cause another issue, you're going in handcuffs.
Who's your sergeant?
My sergeant is Sergeant Plasma.
Where your sergeant at?
He's inside, and I've already had a direct order, so let's not cause anything else.
Where your sergeant at?
We're done.
Where you at?
We are done.
Where you at? Where you at?
Do you want to end up in
Go
handcuffs?
get him.
Stop.
Go get him, bro.
Let us do
You
our
say
job.
he inside.
Let us do our job.
That's my brother over there.
I understand that.
That's my brother over there.
I understand that. We're trying not to cause any other issues out here. That's why we're here. Let us do our job so we can go home. Okay?
What's your first name?
It's completely irrelevant. My name is Officer Morris.
K.
My
Kelly.
first initial.
Kelly.
Nope.
Okay, get the sergeant.
We're done.
That's Carly. Get the sergeant.
Bro, I'm done talking to you, bro.
Good.
Get the sergeant, bro. Bro, stop.
Get out of my face.
Nobody heard you in my face.
10-9, they're talking to everyone.
God damn.
You're the one I'm talking to. Hands behind your back.
For battering the doorman. The guy that works here, the one you push.
Good. Get his ass.
How the fuck I push somebody? I ain't push shit. Put your hands behind your back.
Go and
Good.
get in my car. It's the first one right here.
What the fuck?
Go. Come on out of this car. Let me see your hands. All right, get on out of this car. You gotta get on out.
Get out for what?
We gotta talk to you. Come on.
Talk to me for what?
It's because they're saying you're involved. Okay. I just gotta make sure you're not. So come on out and talk to me.
Damn, he looked just like his brother too.
Dude, they're saying this guy was part of the whole thing.
His knuckles are all busted up.
Yeah. All right. Dude, you gotta get out, or else we're gonna pull you out. You got 6 of us here. We're getting ready to
Stand back there for
We're
me,
fixing
okay?
to pull you out if you don't get out. We don't have to.
We're not inside the car.
We'll get your
Can't
side
control
of the
your
story, but you
liquor.
gotta get out. There's more than one side. All right, we all know that. Yes, he does, ma'am.
Is she interfering? We might have to get her together too.
You gotta get out.
You don't gotta get out the car.
Yes, he does.
Snatch your car. We told.
She's gonna get you in trouble, man. Step out the car.
If you don't get out of
So
we got to get your side. I'm getting you out of the car.
Okay, you get
No.
the side while here in the car.
No, he's getting out, ma'am. Ma'am, you are not in charge.
You're about to put your post for obstructing, okay?
Yeah, get her together.
Hey,
did you talk to the owner?
yeah, they identified you.
What they said?
We'll get out of the car and we'll talk about it. You're not going to jail right now. Get out of the car.
So I'm not going to jail.
Not right now. I just got to get your side of the story.
Hold on, not right now.
Because I don't have your side of the story. I can't say no for sure because I don't have your side.
What's your name?
Cromer. But you got to get out. Come on.
Bro,
Come on.
I gotta understand that you're not gonna take me to jail.
I got to get your side of the story. We're trying to work it all out, all right? So get out of the car or you will go to jail for obstructing. That's your option.
For what?
Obstructing right now. Get out of the car. I'm ordering you out of the car. It's a lawful order.
I'm gonna sit right here.
No, you're going to get out of the car. It's a lawful order for you to step out of the vehicle. I've told you multiple times.
So you're not gonna take me to jail?
If you get out of the car, we're going to talk about it. Okay? I don't have your side of the story yet. I don't have anyone's side of the story. But I need you to get out of the car and work with me. Okay?
They literally coming in this car without even fucking. They literally.
I have a.
Without no body.
It's lawful for me to remove you from this vehicle right now.
So if I call O'Fallon police right now,
I am O'Fallon police. You're going to get me. Every O'Fallon officer is working.
If I call O'Fallon police right now,
The sergeant's right there.
where's the sergeant?
They can go talk to the sergeant somewhere around here. My sergeant.
Nah, you lying.
I'm not. My sergeant's literally right there.
lying.
No, I'm not.
You fucking lying.
You want to go, John?
Yeah, start busting windows and shit. Let's get this show on the road.
She's gonna go to jail. I don't want you to go to jail. I need you to get out of the car.
I'll figure it out.
Oh yeah.
Come on.
We can
I see both hands. Just keep your hands where I can see them and step on out of the car and we'll talk. All right?
The sergeant was in. They lied. They just said the sergeant was in the vehicle.
The sergeant's right here. Listen, if you don't step back, I'm about to put you in cuffs. Don't stand over here.
I can talk. I have freedom of speech. Yes, I do. And you can stop.
Touch me. Touch me.
Oh, she interfering. She interfering. She interfering.
I pressed the door.
Back up.
Press the door.
That's it. No.
She's done. She's done. Get her
You
together.
cannot listen.
Can you stop? I just
No. You hit your back.
I just literally pressed the door.
No, you hit me.
I swear to God, I didn't hit you.
Back. Stop. Stop.
You hit me.
Put your hands behind your back. Hold on.
And y'all handling me.
Come on.
Y'all twisting my arm. I'm not pulling away. Y'all twisting my fucking arm.
Which car are we going?
Y'all twisting my arm.
Straight ahead.
Y'all twisting my arm.
Nobody is twisting anything.
Yes, you is. Stop doing it.
Nobody is twisting anything.
Okay. Y'all not twisting my arm.
No.
Y'all handling me like a man. Stop. This part right here.
Yep.
I swear to God, I'm pulling y'all.
There you go. Now you just
Y'all literally
jam my finger. Grab a seat.
stop doing me like this. I'm getting in there. Why you doing that? Yeah, like a man.
You
Stop doing me that. You ordered
You
my
already
arm.
calm down?
You ordered my arm.
Calm down.
I'm not doing shit. Y'all
Calm
twisting me
down.
like a man. Stupid.
What the fuck?
Both men were charged with battery, while the woman was charged with disorderly conduct, battery on law enforcement, and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video.
Yeah. Good job. Good job. He ain't want to come out. Man, shit. Get their ass right. Bravo. Bravo, man. They all needed to go. They all needed to go. Come out. You can't be civilized. You can't come out, just have a good time, have a few drinks. If you're doing a celebration or something, nothing wrong with going out, having a few drinks, especially after a long week or whatever. But you gotta go out and act like a bunch of animals. Don't know how to act. Don't know how to act. Acting like a bunch of animals, man. Unbelievable. People like you need to just stay your ass home and drink at the house, man. Beat yourselves up, man. But don't come out here causing a ruckus for everybody else that's trying to have a good time, man, that know how to control themselves, man. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.